hope you can hear me in the video. I hope the microphone's fine because I broke my phone screen, so I hope the microphone's fine. Anyway, thanks to Sophia, Lucia, and me, and Diana, who's not here right now, we'll be showing you how to do the redundancy testing. Just so you know, redundancy testing has 4 conditions: absent, friends, strangers, and free room. All of them are there with the box present. The free room is with the friends and not with the strangers. The setup is very much like RoboQuail. You never ever touch the camera. Never move that. If you move that, it's gonna take you like 3 days to fix it. But now, yeah, we are gonna show you how to, do the entire setup so you can see how it goes. So okay, if you could open the whatever software, so you just open EtherVision. And also thanks to Sophia, she already put in the trials for you, the trial numbers and all that. So you can go to AVISR. Also apologies, this is like the shittiest computer ever. But yeah, so you scroll down. Look at the ad trials and so you like say over here.
So you have 6 times 4.
You're doing redundancy 3 for Saturday. There's gonna be like that many. How many are there? 8, 10. 10 birds in there, right?
Yeah, minus the 4 that are gonna be friends.
So there's 10 birds in there, and you'll subtract 4 of them because they will be used as friends. The friends are not to be tested. So you're left with 6 birds in a bin. So 6, and each bird goes from 4 different conditions, therefore 24. So in the number of trials, if you have to add the trials, you put in 24. I hope you understood how to do that. You have all these.
Put the date.
Put the date in here. Also, yeah, so Sophia, do you want to take this? Do you want me to kind of explain that?
Okay, so the first trial that you're going to start with the new bird is going to carry on from the last trial that you started. So bird 266 started with the second, so absent. So you're going to start bird 267. 267 with number 3 stranger, and then go 3 4 1 2. And then after that you carry on, so it'd be 4 1 2 3.
So it's basically exactly like what Sophia said. So when you're doing when you begin with the next subject, so when you start with the next bird, say 268, you will look at which number did you start 267 with. In this case, you started 267 with strangers. So when you start 268, it's gonna be number 4, which will be friends, and then 269 is gonna be number 1, free roam, and so on and so forth. It's kind of tricky initially, but you'll soon get a hang of this. There you go. Cool. So I think that's for the setup. That's like for the trial list. Just in the settings, you duplicate.
Lights off.
Do you want the lights on? Turn the lights on, please. So yeah, when you're doing this, make sure the lights are on so that the camera can actually see.
The light.
There you go.
So you want to fix the box until it's in the square.
So there's 3 of you, so one of you can do one of you can be on the computer, the other person can make sure that you're fixing the box. So the box should, like for RoboQuail or whatever else you have ever done before, the box needs to be in the center.
Okay, so then you delete. Acquisition.
So yeah, now once you're in acquisition, you know what to do. You just press on the green button. The trial is going to run for 3 minutes. At the end of 3 minutes, it's automatically going to end, and then you can move on to the next trial. That shouldn't be a problem. Do you do anything with the distress calls? Do you have to press any buttons with distress calls?
One every time the distress call starts, and one again when it ends.
Cool. So yeah, exactly what Sophia said. When they make the stress call, you press the number 1 button on the numpad, and when that ends, you press that again. So it's kind of like a short intervals when there will be that. I'll show you the arena in just a minute. So make sure you guys turn on the white noise. Make sure you calibrate the sound. The videos for that are already there. And this is currently what the arena looks like. So the box should always be here. You will have one condition where there will be friends in here with the subject over here. Then you will have another condition where you will have free roam, where there will be friends outside, and the subject. They will be roaming around here. There will be another condition when the subject will be alone, which will be absent, and then the last condition will be with strangers inside the box and the subject outside. But the box should remain there. I'll actually check. Sophia, is there any condition when we have to remove the box? No. Yeah. So the box should always stay there. You shouldn't need to move the box. If you do, however, move it accidentally or voluntarily, just make sure you reposition it, realign it, and also every now and then just make sure that if there's bird shit here, just clean it. Clorox wipes or regular wipes. Lastly, you will put because we don't have that many strangers, we have these 2 bins here. You can see these, it says F and S, so that's for strangers, that's for friends. And when you put them here, make sure you turn on the heater so they have the proper environment, and also make sure that you leave this slightly off so that they can actually breathe. This has happened before where somebody put this completely on and turned the heater on and the birds died. And there's going to be 4 birds in here, so 4 friends, 4 strangers. The friends are going to come from the same bin as the test subject. The strangers are going to come in from the other room. So yeah, I hope it's a 7-minute video. So I hope it clarifies more stuff for you. Again, thank you to Sophia, me, Diana, and Lucia. And my apologies for any bad video and not really used to this. But I hope this solves your problems. Alright guys, thank you.